For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Trump administration relaxed some rules for H-1B visas which allowed applicants currently outside the US being considered for a visa. The US Department of State said to avail the H-1B visas, the applicants need to meet a certain set of criteria. Applicants who seek to resume ongoing employment in the US with the employer will now be allowed. The US Department of State said that employees may face financial hardships while replacing employees. This is the first relaxation of rules by the Trump administration after signing the proclamation on June 22nd. On June 22nd, Donald Trump signed a proclamation suspending the entry of non-immigrant visa categories like H-1B and L-1 visas. The ban was imposed till the end of the year in order to protect US labor market following record unemployment rates. The new rule allows senior level employees of healthcare and information technology whose roles are vital to the management and success will get visas. They should be paid at least 15% higher than the wage rate would be considered, provided it is established that denial of it would cause significant financial harm. Healthcare professionals and researchers doing work related to COVID-19 or traveling on a request from a US government agency or to satisfy treaty or contractual obligations will also be allowed. People identified by the government agencies as performing research, providing IT support or similar essentials to the agency will also be allowed. US tech industry with firms like Facebook and Microsoft filed a brief in a California court against Trump's decision of suspending visas. Amazon, Netflix and Twitter also signed the court brief against Trump's administration. Already, global competitors in Canada, China and India, among others, are pouncing at the opportunity to attract well-trained, innovative individuals. And American businesses are scrambling to adjust hiring needed talent to work in locations outside our nation's borders. The proclamation did not consider these costs. The lawsuit is ongoing and it challenges the June proclamation which restricted H-1B and L-1 visas till the end of this year. Apple also came out in support of the recipients of the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program. Trump's latest move to announce relaxations comes as a breather for many who are seeking jobs in the US.